Therefore, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Former president was also standing for the presidential seat. John Dramani Mahama akasa afa enkola womo edidi President Akufo-Addo atem videos aye na ye ho nanse na ebeto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell on so oye the latest news be about one sa ebeka. Mahama eko ne krum aprobo na trese wokohu the overlord okonikrom owie wasanso ko yendi ekohu the overlord ya na Mahama Abukari emse insensembebre na eho na Mahama eko make statement bi na statement na Mahama akwa make no person trese enkola edi Akufo-Addo atem ama ende ya sake wo munina from wasi no nini na Akufo-Addo nankasa na aye na yem blame Akufo-Addo ma yem fa blame no emma nkola no. Mahama say nini na ne say President Akufo-Addo etenase ebo adwempo say wo kwa akoto past questions abre nkola no ade bia NC wo Ghana da NC wo Ghana da president bi ni wa wire ade no wo Ghana da enti say President Akufo-Addo ekwakoya ade ekwakoya sa ade no abre nkola no enya adwempo bi say we die Akufo-Addo graduate inti no wo beche yen ana wo be questions na wo kwa akoto abre yen no eno ana ebeba inti no we die questions na wo say yeni eda so ne ekwa eno ana ebeba eno hunti enkola no edi omoni to so indirectly wo mu feel say adiwe NC wo Ghana da inti say president bi aye na adwen say wo ye na president ne so wato ye din say ye friend Akufo-Addo graduate ana tese wo pese ye pass inti questions ne de eno ana ebeto nti nkola ne call ya questions no ba kokra anto no eno ho abufu na wo mo edibedi president atem eno na Mahama eka ensema Mahama ede atodwa no me readi ensem bia wo kan yen so na ensem ne bi ewo baby mene na eya adwen ensem ne bi nso mene no enya adwen so what the blame no to President Akufo-Addo so no mene Mahama enya adwen because say ye ne sa ebema Ghana ha say akwakoye say nipa enye papa biom akwakoye say wobi aye na adwen say wo ye papa and it is the same thing Kofi-Addo makoye say wo ye papa wo koboa amamata sebe amamata be femu wuye Kofi-Addo ma ye papa o ma ye donation ekoma Lumba Junior Lumba Junior call India wo be femu wuye no ya akoye say Mahama ne scenario no wo say ye blame Kofi-Addo ma wo ye papa no. That's the same scenario Mahama is giving us. And for me, I don't agree with him. President ne papa na woye. Na enkola no if he said president no talk questions amomwa. Why should they even think that? And so please, John Dramani Mahama, yes now don't come and blame the president. Yenim somebody bibia mo person mo their politics. Into all the Bible share Akufo-Addo kon say Akufo-Addo na aye. Don't blame Akufo-Addo. Ayankola na kasa na sebe in previous wo mo nhia nyansa wo mo de omoni ekoto past questions so anya bia as president ayese wo top past questions amawa president in can tell say no na ebeto wo se wo boa so you solve the question akwa yese school wo mo organize mock exams amamo nkola no ye ne ye hu de esi ye coronavirus nti ye kotena efie. So I feel say president ni hu say wona kasa ye bia bo mo because we are not in normal times. Akwa say times here coronavirus aba president ama ebia insio wate so amaye light wate so amaye no ya dia NC wa Ghana. So he was doing something to help in Kolano. It is in Kolana kasa sebi in previous wo mu jimiemu sabio mesremo in Kolana kasa jimiemu ehu ne say papa president ne ye no president no to apo amomo a na wo mo akona antoa nkola na nkasa na me tie for questions here nkola omudi edi president atemi di questions na just say ubukra befu and then wo bi try me questions no me hu ya me boefu me say it's questions when na enam so man nkola ni di president questions no easy science no mo try na wo mo ebedi president atem science no fufu madamfo me who ya me say me ya science for school integrated science me who ya me say it's questions when ankola yen to me and solve na wo mu we di president attempt no ene na ankola ye ma o ma treasure see dia now ankomo ba university wo mu nya ready madamfo bi asama wo ka kire me kra o say ankola wo mu nya ready. Now I'll read some of the questions to you guys. Now more who say say easy questions say any dey ama ankola we na ankola we say be wo mo to me answer na enu hunti wo mu di ho ebufuo e ba be di president attempt there any ankola no say be pray as a jimie e wo mo afa. Me say I'll read some of the questions for you so you guys will see. Easy questions easy questions. Question baako or say explain briefly how solar energy is used to generate electricity. Say ya solar energy ye generate light. You say briefly and say explain the baby now. Explain the kakrebi keke. Owi a was say state 3 other uses of solar energy. Solar energy no. State 3 uses. There the solar energy One, you see solar energy ye di nyankania. Explain. Uya you say state 3 other uses. So 2 questions see utumi answer ni na when you 5 marks. When you 5 marks so. O answer 2 questions in na when you 5 marks. Yeah, you say what is resource factor? Explain briefly how resource factor in humans could result in miscarriage. Ebia na wa we read no. Ebia oko school achenti no. Won sheda who questions say easy. But obi a we science bia them say question here too easy. Here too easy. So how resource factor and then explain briefly how resource factor in humans could result in miscarriage no. 6 marks. Na question yes nkola no mo answer 5 questions so. Ya mo bebre na so mo amun choose 5 per answer. Me say 5 4 and crampo 4 per 4 per na see one answer or mun choose no more answer. Atia here. You say what are secondary colors of light? One say light na your primary colors. And na here be some what are secondary colors of light? Ka secondary colors of light sa ko mininis no black ne sa we no say colors primary colors ne one say sa red blue ni we no but ye ka secondary there would bomu would benya other light no other colors of light no. You say what are secondary colors of light? And also your questions are what's it name the color that results from the combination of each of the following each of the following pairs of color of light. You see what the red any green bomwa light color ben obinya inyama we inyama bia very cheap easy questions. Blue you see with the blue any green bomwa color ben obinya with the red any blue bomwa color ben obinya meaning meaning say red any blue there was said to me now I think black was said there meaning clear no poa there na kaminim was say green anyway no wait questions here questions here extremely easy questions. Extremely easy questions. And ankola no chese wo mudi di president that answer questions ni yet questions wey yo. Questions wey you see define the mole of a substance. Easy questions wey dey am ankola no. Na nde ankola no akwa kodin senfun say. Now President Mahama wo be ka say yen blame why yen blame president no wey there it will not wash. Mr. Mon country President Mahama say wait there it will not wash. Me say there is no way opia wo dey blame back to Akufo-Addo so bia na say nipa no won pega na ye and na say nipa na politics intia. And I gave you a vivid example. Akwa say wo bi akwa boa wo bi sikeni bi akwa boa wo bi na wo boa nipa kro no still ebia nipa ko no fremu wuye na afa ye dey tu sikeni ne so say ani na ona ye obebua no na owu ye nti no una ode na akwa. This is the same thing. President akwa boa mo ato questions amomo na nkola na ehu questions na e ba ka nya say heading easy questions nkola nso mo ntumi anye to mo di president questions we na ka questions be no mo pe questions be wo mo pese e bi so mo interscience na ko mo pese e bi so mo is Kofi a boy is Ama a girl so questions no mo pese e bi so mo. Look at this question. Is me say so one question paper now. Obeka say It's questions when I'm calling you moody president at them no. Me not sure some Mahama crab with questions and I'm going can somewhere walker. Now go can somewhere walker. It's a deal with you. I don't agree with him. You read it in somewhere Mahama a can and bra will call a year Yana Hodon. Was it Ghana saw the best WASI results? Ghana saw the best BEC results in our history. As someone Mahama Air Cannon say NDC time. Ghana who best WASI results. Ghana who best BEC results. That one it is true. We check records now. Embra Mame and then our Mahama the running mate no. Embra no ye education minister no. Ghana that time no your WASI result no it was the best. Your BEC result no so it was the best. So that one there yes it is true. I say all of us passed O level and A level. We used to go to West Africa Examination Council to buy past questions ourselves. Government never gave it to us. And we bought it because you can look at the past questions and they can help you to rehearse towards the exams. But when the government goes and buys it and give it to them, it gives them the idea that these are the questions that are going to come. But why are you blaming government though? Yes. Yankasa na ye to your past ye ni na yankasa na ye to your past questions. Me ye can past questions pa me what's ya me control ya me pass ye na past questions count. Because making sure say by the time I may do final year no na past questions ni me share ni ewie ne by the time I do final year na me share past questions ni ewie o bisa question bia every past question year bia na one hwe ekran na metro year no aka ho na me share past questions ni year yankasa ye koto your past questions is share. But you see, I have told you that we are not in normal times. Abai buan kolano. We are not in normal times. Wama ko tinefie. Wama wofuo ejuma ebia na aba besei. Nti abai bua wamo no, utumi me kasa mo time no, mo toyenti this time na ke say ya pene man kolane to. Dabi. This mentality, President Mahama, the eba no enye. You don't blame Eku, and I've given you several examples. You don't blame Akufo-Addo. No, they are not about your papa. One country, na Akufo-Addo catch and call and say, Munsia past questions, ne kwa nenka, ne neba, and then they will blame me na ye beti wase. But why your papa? Na nkola na nkasa konya nkola adwen achemu etremu pon nkola adwen bi say yakọ past questions amayen de no na ebeba. How do you think the president will do something like that? Na ka office say waye ekra na ka de number kan ka waye egbeka say ka waye ekra be chastise the president of the country. Ba nkola no mo nkola adwen ni nti wo mo adwen say president to me nya bibisa otherwise internationally ye be kan anim ahye and internationally ye be gu nanim ase say wo man Ghana nkwa wo mo president ko talk questions ebeba emomo wa imagine edinya na kede be ma president na ka president onye sa ma nkola no mo nkola adwen ni nti that is what they were thinking. And so for you, Mahama, to also be saying that and being on the part of Nkolano, and yet, because I'm there, Mahama, we are president, you know. Masa, in Krofu, even as you are not a president, in Krofu, do what them can, ya babo and teme kasama. It is saying that we beat in a community, so now you need a tem. Now, I was saying, what can say Nkolano, now, what say, and no crano, and the Bakuna, and I enter Nkolani dinner temwa. Masa, and yet, Mesremo, me say idea way there. Will be our back or be blame president. Ya me babontin about be defending the president. I've told you. Will be our be blame the president in this particular matter. Say and the past question is not Toman Kolano and then me say me babontin about be defending. Because ne cre or my way ya papa ye who say and ye a political party I ain't can the no. And yeah.